In this video, I'll show you how to top up AI Assist message credits on tawk.to. Each AI Assist plan includes a predetermined number of message credits per month. Hobby plans include 100 credits. Growth plans include 1,000. Business plans include 5,000. Enterprise plans include 20,000. 1 credit is used every time AI Assist sends a message in your chat channels. This includes smart replies and AI commands. If you run out of credits, AI Assist will stop joining new chats, so you'll need to top up to maintain uninterrupted support. To top up credits, go to your tawk.to dashboard. Click Add-ons in the side navigation, then click Settings under AI Assist. On the right side, click Top Up under Message Usage. Enter how many credits you want to buy. Credits are sold in blocks of 1,000, with 1,000 as the minimum purchase. Your new balance will be calculated by subtracting any excess usage from the credits you purchase. Excess usage occurs when AI Assist finishes ongoing chats after your limit is reached. Next, choose your payment method, either credit card or PayPal, and enter your payment details. Review everything, then click Top Up Now. Once the purchase is complete, your updated credit balance will appear in the credit breakdown. You'll also receive a receipt by email, and you can view it anytime under Administration, Billing, Purchases, and Invoices. To avoid running out of credits in the future, you can enable Auto Top-Up. This automatically adds credits when your balance drops below a set amount, helping your support stay active during busy times. For more tutorials, visit the AI Assist Academy or book a call with our AI Assist specialist.